Okay, I'm gonna turn the amp on. I'm not gonna be able to play guitar through it until tonight, but this will give you, at least you'll hear that there's no unwanted noise. I'm gonna turn all of the loudnesses up to 3/4. And then I'm going to, how am I going to do this? Let's go halfway. That's what you're going to hear halfway, which is virtually less than you're going to hear on a Fender Tweed or even a Fender Blackface for that matter. It's absolutely amazing to me because every other AC30 that I've had, and like I said, I've had 6 of them, they all have a hum. That's inherent in all AC30s. I guess it's the Class A circuit. But, and again, you're right next to the amp, so. If I crank it to 10, actually I should be doing one channel at a time. Here's the vibrato channel. Up to 10. This is 5. This is 10. Here's the normal channel, 5. That's 5. That's dead silent. Here's 10. That's on 10. Pretty amazing, in my opinion. Turn that down. And then here's the top boost channel. That's on 5. That's on 10. Again, keep in mind we're 24 inches away from the amp, from the speakers, so can't imagine you're ever gonna crank it up to 10, but some guys do. Actually, it's pretty amazing when you turn the Brilliant channel up to 10, and if you're using like an ES335 or a semi-hollow body guitar, it just sounds like fire, man. It sounds like you're holding onto fire, and like if you just let go of the strings, the feedback is just incredible. That's why I'm kind of surprised Hendrix never used one of these amps, because the feedback and overdrive and distortion you can get out of this top boost channel is like nothing else. I mean, Marshall's got nothing on this. And if you look through my collection, I've got a 1965 JTM 45, and I've got a 1968 Plexi 50, both that's a 50 watt model. But anyway, just to give you a quick view, hopefully this thing's still recording. A JMI product. Very, very clean. This is the one thing that I don't know how the hell that happened. Maybe some kid did that. I don't know. It's kind of the one bad thing about this amp, that little X, but I don't know. Not that big of a deal. And then there's no corners, of course, because it's a trapezoid shape. So, which from what I understand are the more rare. I took the back top panel off the speaker cabinet, and like I'm gonna write to you in the email, this speaker has been reconed. So sorry about that. To me, that is not as big of a deal as it is to other people, because I think that's basically maintenance. I mean, you know, they're gonna go bad eventually. So once it's broken in, it's a you know, it's just the phone, it's just the cone. So that's the way I see it anyway. And then also, if you look here, you can see that the braided speaker wire is stapled to the inside of the speaker cabinet, which is also how all AC30s, that's how they did the speaker wire. They would put two staples on the wire to keep it up out of the way. I don't know if you can see that, if that's too dark, but so anyway, that's all. This leads me to believe that these are you know, everything is original except for the cone, the electrolytic capacitors, and that one potentiometer. So there you go. I will record some guitar on this thing tonight. Thanks. Later.